Hi YouTube family. I thought since we've been on YouTube now for, I don't know, 6 or 7 months now, I thought it would be a good time to do a proper introduction, kind of. So it's going to be pretty quick, but I just wanted to come on and say thank you so much if this is your first time stopping by my channel, or if you've been with me for a while, or if you know me personally or whatnot. My name is Kiana. This is my channel, Kiana Made It. I started this channel I don't know. I started this channel for a few reasons. One of them being is to track my journey. It's been an amazing journey so far, and I see how fast the hustle and bustle of life goes, and it's just to document it. It's to help other people. I've been on YouTube crazy the past couple of years, and I've learned so much. So I would love to contribute to the YouTube community, as well as document my journey. You know, with all that's going on. So a little background on me. I Let's see. I began getting into the craft. I don't know. I guess I've always been crafty, you know. I guess to an extent, but I got my Cricut. Let's see. My husband got me my Cricut in April of 2020. My hands, I was just getting idle. We were at home. Everybody was quarantined. And I had been talking about the Cricut for a minute. I'm like, I want one. I want one. He's just like, why don't you just order one? You order everything else. And initially I wanted one because the kids were in sports, and I wanted to make those cute mom and dad shirts without always having to pay somebody, and everybody's looks generic and the same. And then also my husband owns a towing business, and every season when we would go buy shirts and hoodies and things like that for him to wear, for work, it was just so pricey. And I'm just like, man, for the price of this machine, for the Cricut this machine, I'm like, I can do that. And so I guess he got sick of me hearing it. He's just like, just order it. So we ordered it. It came. I made a few things. And it kind of took off around Mother's Day, because around that time everybody needed masks. So I was making and customizing masks and selling those, as well as I was getting started with the Cricut. So when May came, I was playing around with making certain shirts, and then I would post to my marketplace and post my work, and then I got really slammed. And I don't know, my husband was just like, oh well, maybe this is going somewhere. So I would probably say that's the beginning of how everything started. Now, here we are a little bit over a year later, and it's a full-blown business, and I'm so grateful and thankful. And we have a bunch of little toys now that help us work and learn, and it is awesome. Right now, so on this channel, let's see. Again, I started just cutting on the camera. I didn't have a real vision, but as of now, the vision will be for this channel is just for you guys to learn and grow with me. Eventually, I know me and my family, we have a YouTube channel that I'm gonna start being more active on. It's called Mumford Party of Six. My husband and I have 4 boys, and we're just busy. We're just busy, and we're loving it, and it's a lot, but we're trying to document it, because I know one day we're going to look back like, oh my gosh, look how busy we were, look how little the kids were, look at this, remember when you were a beginner, all that. So we are just trying to stay active. So I turned on the camera just to showcase this part of my life when I sneak away and I create. And like I said, it also brings in income. It also taps into another part of my creativity, and I love it. So at the moment, I create designs. I help with custom designs and printing and ideas. If somebody comes to me and they want a birthday shirt, they want a branding for their business, I'm able to help them out with that. Also, I am starting, when I do have the free time, I think that's, and we're going to talk about that in 1 second, but I am starting to love creating my own designs and apparel. So I think Kiana Made It. I don't know if it's going to stick with that name. I know I've been kind of rocking with KMI, the abbreviations for Kiana Made It, but I am coming out with an apparel line. Um, stay tuned. I have a website now called KianaMadeIt.com. And again, I don't know if I'm going to document that part, but I never really know when to turn on the camera. But I have been YouTube researching and trying to set that up and build that website myself. So if you go to it and it looks a little rough, we will perfect it. Bear with me. But I am uploading. I am starting to update merchandise and things now, and they're all created by me, and I hope you all love what you see. If you are a creator and you want to know if I know how to do something and I can teach you or run it past you in a different way to help you learn, let me know, because I probably have a video on it, or probably something I struggle with and I might have a tip or something like that. But I definitely enjoy making cool shirts, jackets, hoodies, custom clothing for me and the kids. It's honestly like a diary. Um, I also dabble in sublimation as far as like jewelry and cups and clothing. I have a sewing machine. If y'all been watching me, my mom got me a sewing machine for my birthday last October, and here it is almost August again. I did take it out. I have not threaded it or anything, but sometime on this channel, we're gonna get to that, honestly. So that, I don't know if that counts as an introduction. Maybe I'll be like, if I miss something, or I don't know how this goes, I'll do an introduction number 2. But I hope that helps. So pretty much I'm just going to be cutting on the camera. Most of the time I'm doing something crafty in my office. Or if something is frustrating me, maybe I'll make a video of it, because if you have a couple of different printers and a couple of different cutting machines and presses, and you're dealing with different fabrics and whatnot, you may get frustrated too and run into certain areas. So I have to remember, hey, cut on the camera. Um, so yeah, I think that's about it. So that's the introduction. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.